I'm detecting Airwolf in the area approaching.
I have spotted KARR. I'm engaging now. Michael, I can't penetrate his shell. You and KITT are going to have to handle it. Good luck.
Michael, there's KARR. What's he waiting for?
Unless I'm mistaken, us.
That was close. I can't take another blow like that.
All right, prepare the high tensile reflectors. We can find the right angle. We're gonna shatter that laser.
Goodbye, Michael Knight. If I am destroyed, so shall you be.
You all right? Come on, buddy, you all right? Can you hear me? KITT?
If I say yes, will you promise we'll never have to do that again?
Never say never, partner. Never say never.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fandom and retro videos.